This is using a return bus in Ableton on steroids. This takes it to the next level. So check this out. So if you don't know already, you can send any track to a return bus, and that return bus can have any effects on it. This one here's got reverb on it, and we're going to send this track to the return bus here like this. So as we increase the amount, it's sending more to the return bus. And in the return bus, you can do all sorts of things like add EQ, effects, and all sorts of other stuff. And you can automate the volume and all sorts of things. But there's another thing that I wanted to show you that isn't often used. What we can do now is insert a new audio track, and we can send the return bus to the audio track. And we're now just going to record what's in that audio bus. So let's just do that now. So what you have now is you've got a printed, recorded version of what's in the audio bus. Let's just take a quick listen to it in solo. It's basically exactly the same thing that's here on the return track. So now that it's printed to audio, we can switch this return track off or deactivate it. And because it's audio, we can do some really cool things to it. So the most obvious thing is you can mess with the warp transients. So for example, we can now transient to 16, and we can do something like this. We can increase the gain like that. So if we listen to it together, and we can just do other stuff like this. What I really like it for is pitch manipulation. So if we go to Complex Pro like this, we decrease the pitch to -12, an octave. You can't just do that with a normal return track. And we can increase it to 12, which is an octave up. And we can have them together at the same time. So let's just do that. And the last thing I wanted to show is we can do this anyway with the return track, but you can also send the return track or the audio track to another send. So let's send it to a delay here like this. Let's change this to beats now. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was useful and interesting and gives you some really cool ideas. Go producers, go!